Welcome to our video. Indulge in the rustic charm and vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean with our vegan ratatouille recipe. This classic dish hailing from the south of France is a masterpiece of simplicity and elegance. Let's dive into the video. Wait! Before starting the vegan meal plan video, I introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 eggplant cubed, 2 zucchinis sliced, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 yellow bell pepper sliced, 1 onion sliced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit a VWO 4 dizy 190 degrees Celsius. In a large baking dish, combine all the vegetables and garlic. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with thyme, salt, and pepper. Toss to coat. Pour the diced tomatoes over the vegetables. Cover with foil and bake for 45-50 minutes until the vegetables are tender. For more vegan recipes, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.